going off? Where's it going off? Where's the deactivator? Ah, no! No, it's not it, no! Ah! The car alarm, where is it? In here, no! There! Ah!
Hello and welcome to Robert and Mark's Tractor Tips. I'm Party Man Rob, or you can call me Robert.
And I'm Mr. Mark UK1, or you can call me Mark.
Okay, the first tip we're going to show you is how to start the tractor. Now, as you can see at the moment it's not started.
It's warming up.
If you've been to come around here, Elliot, please, you can show everyone what we're doing.
I'll tripod you.
At the moment it's on heat, which means it's heating the oil up so we can start it. Can you see that? Well,
Daft crazy lot.
there you go. Yeah, see it's on heat at the moment. We've got to hold it on there until the little red light comes on up there, which it has.
We already have it on fast,
So,
the engine running. No,
we'll see.
Let's try it. Let's try it.
Oh.
If Robert can turn the key on.
Nope, still not starting yet. A little bit longer.
Because Robert's a clown.
First and foremost is I'm going to make sure that it's not in gear so I don't go shooting off when I start it. Okay, here's some rules on starting your tractor. Rule number one, first of all, as Mark's going to demonstrate, don't shout at it. Stop! Rule number two, do not hit it with leaves. They will not make it start. Rule number, ow! Right! Get out of here! Right, rule number three, don't kick on your toe. And when you finally get on the tractor and try to start it, and you press go, it starts. Whoa! Oh my god, what was that? Okay.
I started it first time.
I was like, is it got off the camera? It's like, I'm going to attempt to move the tractor forward, alright? There we go. Woo, yeah! I'm so poo. This is how you drive it! Yeah! What's it over here? Okay, cameraman, you just saw that was very good indeed. Thank you very much for your help there. But we seem to have a situation here. Someone's car alarm's going off, isn't it, Elliot?
Yes.
Hello there, sir. What's the problem then?
My car alarm keeps going off.
Can we have a look under the hood?
Can do.
Do you know how to open the hood, sir? Go and open the hood for me.
I can only hear myself speak.
Can you turn that alarm off?
I don't know.
Right, that's it, look. Let's put the hood down because it's too noisy.
You have to do it. It's my car, mate.
Well, I hope it's right.
Don't blow my bonnet. Oh!
Right, let's turn it off, shall we?
Come on then, see if you can turn it off. No, it's not it. It's just the horn. And you hit your head. Excuse me, sir. Are you okay? Is this the air?
Ah!
Yeah, we fixed the alarm.
Oh, is it good? Yeah, are we good?
Yeah, I think we're good. I can hear myself
Woo!
now. Brilliant.
Good, right.
Nice one, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Okay, guys, I'm going to go over, alright?